Credit One Bank Platinum Rewards Card with no annual fee. Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. If you're in the market for a credit card in 2025 that claims to combine *** rewards with accessibility ***, you've likely seen the *** Credit One Bank Platinum Rewards Card with no annual fee ***. It promises the ability to earn *** cashback rewards ***, while catering to people with *** less than perfect credit ***. But is it truly worth it? Or should you leave it on the table and explore other options? Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know its *** rewards, fees, benefits, downsides, and real-world usability *** so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the *** basics ***. The Credit One Bank Platinum Rewards Card is designed primarily for individuals who have ** fair or rebuilding credit ***. Unlike premium rewards cards that require excellent credit scores, this card opens the door to earning cash back even if your credit history has had some bumps. The card is available for consumers across the United States, and you can typically apply online and receive a decision quickly. One of the main appeals of this card is its ** rewards program ***. Despite its accessible credit requirements, it offers ** 1% to 5% cashback ** on select purchases. Specifically, certain categories like gas, groceries, or mobile phone services may earn higher cashback percentages depending on Credit One Bank's current offers. For example, you might earn ** 5% cashback on eligible gas purchases ** for a few months, then 1% on all other purchases. The rewards are ** automatically applied as statement credits ***, making it easy to redeem without any complicated processes. To put that into perspective, if you spend $200 per month on gas and 5% cashback applies, that's $10 in rewards monthly just from gas ***. Over a year, that adds up to $120 and when combined with 1% on other everyday spending, you can earn additional cashback across all your transactions. The simplicity and predictability of these rewards can be particularly appealing for people who don't want to track multiple cards or categories. Now, it's essential to discuss ** fees ***. Despite being advertised as a no annual fee card, it's important to note that Credit One Bank often charges ** monthly maintenance fees ** or ** account fees ** which can vary depending on your credit profile and the offer you're given. For example, some cardholders might see fees ranging from $0 to $9 per month. This can impact the net value of your cashback earnings, especially if your monthly spending is modest. Always check your ** specific offer * before accepting, because these fees are personalized and can make a significant difference in the card's overall value. Another critical consideration is the card's ** APRA ***. Credit One Bank's Platinum Rewards Card comes with a ** variable APRA ***, often ranging from 17% to 27%. This means carrying a balance month to month can quickly erase your rewards and even add to your debt. For instance, if you carry a $500 balance at a 25% APRA for 1 month, you could be paying roughly $10.40 in interest ***, which could offset the cashback earned. That's why this card works best for individuals who ** plan to pay in full every month ***. The card also includes ** additional fees ** like late payment fees or returned payment fees, which can be up to $40. While these are standard across most credit cards, they can disproportionately affect cardholders with limited credit experience or tight budgets. Using tools like ** autopay or reminders ** can help mitigate this risk and ensure you maximize your rewards without extra costs. Let's move on to ** credit building potential ***, which is one of the card's biggest advantages. Credit One Bank reports to all 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That means responsible usage, like paying on time and keeping your credit utilization low, can help ** improve your credit score over time ***. For example, if someone with a 630 credit score uses this card responsibly for a year, paying in full and keeping utilization below 30%, they could see meaningful improvements in their credit rating, which could make them eligible for better rewards cards in the future. Security and convenience are also important factors. The card comes with $0 liability for unauthorized charges online account access, and mobile app management. You can track spending, view rewards, and make payments directly from the app or website, which is essential for maintaining control of your finances and avoiding late payments. Now, let's talk about real-world usability. This card works like any standard Visa or MasterCard, meaning it's accepted anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted. You can use it for gas, groceries, online purchases, or recurring bills. The main limitation comes from the high APRA and potential monthly fees which make it less suitable for carrying large balances or relying on it as a long-term financing solution. Here's a practical example. Suppose you spend $500 per month on gas, groceries, and everyday purchases. $200 on gas at 5% cashback equals $10/month. $300 on groceries at 1% cashback equals $3/month. Total monthly rewards equals $13. Total annual rewards equals $156. If your monthly fee is $5, that's $60 annually, leaving $96 in net rewards. While not huge, it's still better than earning nothing, and for someone building or rebuilding credit, the combined rewards plus credit building benefits can justify the card's use. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: designed for individuals with fair or rebuilding credit. Cashback rewards on purchases, including higher rates in select categories. No annual fee. Though monthly fees may apply, helps build or rebuild credit through regular reporting to credit bureaus, fraud protection, and mobile account management for convenience. Cons: monthly fees may apply, reducing net rewards. High APRA making carrying a balance expensive. Reward structure is limited compared to premium or rotating category cards, not ideal for international travel due to potential foreign transaction fees. Comparing the card to alternatives like the Discover It Secured or Capital One Quicksilver One The Credit One Bank Platinum Rewards card stands out for its no annual fee and higher initial cashback potential especially if you qualify for 5% cashback on categories like gas. Discover It Secured, on the other hand, is primarily a secured card with 2% cashback at restaurants and 1% on other purchases. Capital One Quicksilver One charges a $39 annual fee, but offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases. So, the choice often comes down to personal spending habits and whether you prioritize building credit, earning rewards, or minimizing fees. Here's the surprising truth about this card. While it may seem modest in rewards compared to premium cards, its true value is in accessibility and credit building potential. Many people overlook this aspect, focusing solely on the percentage of cashback or perks. But for someone with limited credit options, this card offers a pathway to improved credit while also earning small but meaningful rewards. It's like a stepping stone. Use it responsibly, and it can lead to better cards with higher rewards and lower fees in the future. In conclusion, the Credit One Bank Platinum Rewards card with no annual fee in 2025 is worth considering if your priorities are earning simple rewards while building or rebuilding credit. Responsible use is crucial. Pay your balance in full, avoid late fees, and leverage the rewards on everyday spending. It won't replace high-end rewards cards, and the net cashback value is moderate, but for individuals with fair credit looking for a practical, low-maintenance option it's a solid choice. Use it strategically, and it can serve as a reliable tool for improving credit and earning rewards at the same time.